Hello, this is Brian Rezny, President of Rezny Wealth Management, bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment markets. Well, 2023 is off to a good start. It's often said how January is affected or how the market does in January is how the year goes. I will tell you that's factually not always true because I remember back in 2016, the market actually in January dropped quite a bit, but then recouped and went to really new high ground by the end of 2016. I'm not saying we're going to get a major correction this year, but expect volatility. It's normal. But we are off to a great start. The economy, generally speaking, is in solid footing. The job market appears to be good. We're starting to see the inflation starting to abate quite a bit, and I've talked about that for the last about 6-7 months. If you look at the run rate the last 6 months, inflation's running at just over a 2% inflation clip, which is kind of the Fed mandate. So again, as this year progresses, we're going to continue to watch inflation, and hopefully we continue to see inflation come down. What we do not want to see is really deflation or a massive pullback on the downside on inflation. You want inflation running in that kind of 2%, maybe 3% level. But generally speaking, you don't want to see deflation where asset prices really do go down like homes and things of that nature in a long-term manner, which again, we don't really expect, but partially it has to do with the Fed and how they raise rates or how long they keep rates up at current levels. Again, as I said, the economy is doing quite well. And ultimately what happens to portfolios is we did make a few adjustments in the last day, and today, again, we're going to be making some further adjustments in how we're allocating areas that we feel we need to beef up more for more growth opportunity, areas what we're trying to add for additional income and growth to those portfolios that are more balanced style. So again, we're making adjustments that are necessary. And those are the important things when you manage money. One of the things I want to stress, and as I look back at 2022, and I look at all the calls we received from my TV and radio shows, and a few calls that we received from some clients, is remember, volatility is normal. But if you get fearful and you really do emotional changes to a portfolio, that's what really hurts long-term profitability for you, the retiree, and financial security. Again, nobody likes volatility. You look at these headlines that come out every single day or these emails you get, and fear starts to be the predominant factor in a lot of people's decisions. And again, that's something that's got to be put on the back burner. You don't want to have volatility, but you can't make fear emotional decisions because that's going to be very disruptive and detrimental to long-term portfolio growth and income. Now, as this year progresses, we do see greener pastures. And one of the things that I will say is this. We watched the State of the Union speech yesterday. Again, a lot of rhetoric from the Democrat Party. Of course, the Republicans are going to come back and basically, deny or basically counter what some of the things were said by our current president. What I will say is, whether it's a Democrat in the White House or Republican, whether one controls all chambers or there's a combination of that, money is going to be spent. The economy is going to grow. You may not agree with everything either party does, but at the end of the day, greener pastures are in front of us, and smart investing and non-emotional decisions are going to help secure your financial future. That's what clients pay us to do every single day. And as always, if you have any questions about your portfolio, any concerns, if we need to schedule an in-office review or a phone review, which is often very easy for all clients, please give the office a call. We are always there for you. And remember, we do appreciate your business, and we always appreciate your referral. So keep us in mind when talking to business associates, family, or friends. Our business grows through great clients like yourself. Have a safe and profitable day.